Hi, sixth grade students. This is Mr. Alford, and you clicked on this little link that sits right here to explain how you join my Khan Academy class. So, step one, you go to this website. So you click on that, and that takes you to here. You'll basically see this page. Okay. And then next, we click create a new account. Okay. Create a new account. All right. And then next step, give your birth date. All right. So give your birth date. I'm just going to put in something random. There you go. What's next? Click continue with Google. All right. Now, what you see right here, the computer just skipped a tiny thing for me. What will happen for you is that you will have to give this step right here. My computer let me skip. For you, it may let you skip it or it may not. You may have to give your school email and password. For example, John Smith's school email is john.smith@s.dcssga.org. Okay, so right after you hit continue with Google, it may ask you for your school email and password, and if so, this is what your school email is going to look like. And then your school password is just the same that you use at school. Okay, and then after that, you should see a page like this, and that means that you have joined my Khan Academy classroom. That is it. Email or call me if you have questions. Good luck, guys.